Anda menyaksikan Dialog Publik Berita 1 bersama saya, Jeremy Siregar. Kesehatan saat ini menjadi kebutuhan utama masyarakat di seluruh dunia. Salah satu faktor kunci kesehatan adalah makanan, dan saat ini masyarakat semakin peduli terhadap apa yang mereka konsumsi. Dialog publik kali ini akan membahas bagaimana peran atau komitmen lembaga atau perusahaan swasta dalam membantu mewujudkan kepedulian masyarakat terhadap makanan dan dampaknya bagi kesehatan global. Di studio telah hadir Danone Non-Executive Chairman for Asia, Pascal Detrini. Mr. Pascal, thank you for joining me today.
It's a pleasure.
I understand that Danone is part of the EAT initiative.
Absolutely. Danone has joined the EAT initiative 3 years ago.
All right. Would you like to elaborate on that a little bit, on what is the EAT Forum and what is the idea behind the initiative?
This initiative started 3 years ago. It has been it started in the Nordics, and basically the idea is simple: how to feed 9 billion people on the planet in a healthy and sustainable way in the future. Behind that there is the perceived need to reform the food system right now, which is not working. More non-communicable diseases and a planet that is where the resources are more and more depleted. So the EAT Forum is bringing together people from all areas, policymakers, academics, industry, NGOs, in order to work together to fix the issue.
All right. When you say that you brought a lot of policymakers, NGOs, what are some of the examples?
But here in Indonesia yesterday, for example, the EAT Forum, which is the first one taking place in Asia, was opened by the Vice President Yusuf Kala.
Right.
Ministers of Indonesia, the Minister of Health is a co-organizer of the event together with the EAT Foundation. So policymakers are present. Industry is present.
Industries are present.
And a lot of NGOs and academics also are present here.
Right, so this is a collaboration between various peoples to try to find out solutions or some sort to the food sustainability problem in the world?
Definitely the idea is to find solutions to the food sustainability in the world, working on, again, sharing best practices, alerting the public at large, developing solutions that could be implemented as soon as we finish the forum.
Right, and then how does Danone as a company, with the great global presence, how does the company relate to the cause of healthy and nutritious diet?
Danone has always been focused on what we call our dual projects, not only economic activities, but also having a social contribution to the world. It started in France almost 50 years ago, and as the company evolved and as its mission became bring health through food to the biggest number, it became obvious for us that we had to take our share of responsibility in, again, bringing healthier food to the people, but also not at the expense of the planet. So working clearly on protecting the planet and protecting the resources and bringing sustainability to the system.
Right, and then what are some of these examples? Because it's no easy feat when you try to provide food to the public for a lot of the people and try not to harm the environment as much. What are some of the examples that you can give us?
Absolutely. So, I think I should take the example of Indonesia.
Right.
In Indonesia, we are privileged. We are managing a brand which is an icon, which is the Aqua brand in this market. The Aqua brand has been for almost 50 years a brand that brings safe drinking water to millions of Indonesians. This is a great economic contribution to the country. More than 10,000 employees, products available in 1.5 million outlets and factories across the islands. But the other point is also Aqua has been working, preserving the watershed, what we call watershed, where we get the water, developing more sustainable agriculture practices, educating children in schools about healthier hydration and drinking habits, and also obviously taking some initiative when it comes to recycling the plastic that we put in the market.
And then you talked a little bit about the food sustainability system. How does Danone see the Asia-Pacific food system? Do you think how do you think we have progressed in the food sustainability?
I think Danone sees the food system in Asia in a very similar way to the food system in the world. With a difference, which is the massive number of people living in Asia. So most of the world population lives in Asia. We need to feed them, and this happens with the same consequences and the same challenges that in the rest of the world. We are depleting resources. We are bringing non-communicable diseases. Obesity is on the rise, diabetes is on the rise. In Asia, still we have what we call the double burden. Some people still don't have or have not the proper level of nutrition. So that's similar to the world. What is also similar to the rest of the world is the fact that more and more consumers, people like you and me, are concerned with what we eat, where does it come from? Is it good for us? How has it been processed? And is it good for the planet ultimately? So fairly similar evolution.
Right. And then let's talk about the initiative itself for a little bit. I understand that the EAT Forum is a collaboration between a lot of various people from various backgrounds coming together to try to find a solution. What about the initiative itself? Is this something that you're doing outside of Asia as well?
The initiative led by Danone obviously are across the globe, everywhere we operate. The EAT initiative is a global initiative as well. So the forum is taking place this year in Asia, which is a great news, absolutely, but this is a global initiative too. So Danone doesn't have double standards. We operate in the same way everywhere in the world. And obviously each time we operate in a country with a great brand like Aqua here, for example, we pay a lot of attention to the two dimensions of developing the economy and developing what we call healthier drinking and eating habits, but also protecting the planet.
It's great to see that Danone is also operating outside of Asia and whatnot, and you guys are providing the same kind of opportunity, the same kind of operations, trying to see providing great economy for the country, and yet you guys are also looking into sustainability. It's great. We'll talk more about the EAT initiative and Danone when we come back from the break. Pemirsa, tetaplah bersama kami.